Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a winter date day or date night type kind of lookbook. And I actually just realized, you guys, next month is March. So with March, that means warmer weather or spring. And honestly, just being here like in Alabama lately, like these past couple of weeks, it's been feeling like spring. But anyways, enough about that. I will have all in stock items listed in my description box below. And of course, I could never, ever thank everyone for just being a part of this incredible YouTube journey. Thank you so much. But other than that, though, let's go ahead and get started with this date day or date night winter type kind of lookbook try on haul. Okay, you guys, so for this first outfit, we just have this simple black bodysuit from the one and only fashionnova.com. You guys, the piece that makes this outfit is this adorable, cute little like silver metallic skirt. I actually purchased this from my local Belk department store. And you guys, this skirt does not disappoint. Stunning, top notch, A1. But yes, you guys, it's just a simple little outfit. Like I said, full effect, wanting you to see this cute little skirt from Belk. And then also to, oh, the boots. How could I forget about these boots? I've had these boots for a couple of years. And then this simple black bodysuit. But yes, you guys, this is the first look. Okay, you guys, so this is the second outfit. And it's this little velour type kind of print top from Express. You guys, I've actually had this for quite some time. And I just basically decided to pair it with these blue jeans. You should already know where the jeans are from. The one and only fashionnova.com. You already know they're extremely long, hence why I always wear booties. But yes, you guys, this is more so like a dress down type kind of casual look. But I like it, you guys. I definitely like it and I'm here for it. But yes, this is the second look. Okay, you guys, so this is the third outfit. It's this little black dress and this cardigan. Now I will say the cardigan is from Walmart. Purchased this a couple of years ago by the brand Time and True. This little black dress, I've actually shown it like quite a few times. I purchased it through Macy's.com. You guys, I just feel like you can never go wrong with a little black dress and a cardigan. Like, seriously, call it a day with a little black dress and a cardigan. But yes, you guys, I feel like this could be a dressy look and then also too like a casual type kind of down look. Hence the heels, of course. But yes, you guys, if you are interested in purchasing this outfit, definitely make sure you go check my description box. I don't think the cardigan will still be in stock. The dress, however, it may still be in stock on Macy's.com, but of course, I will have that confirmed and listed with the information in my description box. Okay, you guys, so this is the fourth and final fit. And when I tell you, everything about this fit came from Amazon, hence the shoes. You guys, this look is a more casual, like dress down type kind of look. As much as I love dressing up, I love a good comfortable outfit. We've got this sweatshirt, which is from Amazon, this North Face puffer vest, also too from Amazon, and these leggings, you guys, are from Amazon. And then these shoes, I have featured these before. These are by Michael Kors, and I just basically paired it with some white socks. But yes, you guys, I absolutely love this outfit. I can definitely confirm that all clothing items are still currently in stock on Amazon.com. And then also too, you guys, because I know like a lot of people are kind of like, you know, skeptical of buying like brand name items on Amazon, especially if they're being sold through like third-party vendors. I completely get it. But I say all of that to say the North Face puffer vest that I purchased, it is, in fact, 100% authentic. So yes, you will be getting a real authentic North Face puffer vest. But yes, you guys, if you are interested in purchasing this entire ensemble, make sure you go check out my description box, and all items will be listed and linked below. Thank you so much for watching my date day, date night type kind of try on lookbook type kind of haul. As mentioned earlier before, you guys, all in stock items will be listed and linked below in my description box. Please like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, bye.